In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export CTA performance data from HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clean file with your calls to action metrics that you can analyze or share with your team. First, open your browser, go to Google, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Use your regular sign-in method, and make sure you have the right permissions to view and export marketing assets. If you're part of a larger team, you might see single sign-on. Either way, once you're in, you're good to go. From the HubSpot dashboard, move your cursor to the left sidebar and locate the marketing section. This is where HubSpot keeps the tools for campaigns, content, and analytics. Within marketing, click CTAs. This opens the calls to action area, where you'll see a list of your CTAs along with performance metrics like views, clicks, and click-through rate. It's a great snapshot of how your buttons and banners are engaging visitors across your site and emails. On this CTAs page, look for the Actions menu. Click Actions, then choose Export Data. This tells HubSpot you want to pull the performance details out of the app so you can work with them in a spreadsheet or reporting tool. When the export window appears, you'll be prompted to choose a file format. Pick the format that fits your workflow. CSV is a solid choice for compatibility with Excel, Google Sheets, and most analytics tools, while XLSX can be handy if you plan to stay primarily in Excel. The data itself won't change, just the container, so pick what's easiest for you and your collaborators. After selecting the format, click Export. HubSpot will prepare the file in the background. If you have many CTAs or a long date range, this can take a moment. You'll get a notification when it's ready. To access it, go to the top of the page and click the notification icon. In the Notifications panel, find the Calls to Action Export notification and click it. Your file will begin downloading immediately to your default Downloads folder. That's it. You now have a portable file with your CTA performance. Open it to review key metrics, filter by campaign or page, and track trends over time. If you're sharing results with stakeholders, consider keeping a consistent file format so comparisons are easy month to month. And remember, exports reflect what's in HubSpot at the time you run them, so repeat this process whenever you need fresh data. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.